press enter, or you can just click on new. So I'll just press enter. See, the data entry has been done. See, and click on the table, and then click on form. See, the size of the cells has been increased. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Get Perfect, and my name is Vismay. So in today's video, as you have seen in the introduction, we are going to learn about how to make a data entry form in Excel. Yes, so it is very simple. So without wasting any further time, let's start. So this is a plain Excel what we have. I'll just increase the size of this Excel so that you would be able to see it. I'll make a small table over here. Serial number, mobile companies, states, then price per unit, total unit sold, total amount, taxes, and net amount. Okay, I'll just select this and I'll auto fit these. So these three columns would be automated. Okay, so total amount is this into the unit sold. First, let's make a table on this. I'll select this, I'll press Ctrl plus T, and I'll keep my table as headers. Okay, I can change this to this color, which I think is very good. You can keep anything what you want. So total amount is per unit into the total unit sold. Okay, taxes is total amount into 18%, and the net amount is total amount plus taxes. Okay, so now I've made a simple table. Now let's see how to create a data entry form. For that, I need a form option on over here top. If you can't find it, go to file, go to options, go to quick access toolbar. In popular commands, click on the popular commands. You can see command not in the ribbon. Click here. Now you can see the options which are not in the ribbon. So this is alphabetically arranged. So here you find form, you add this over here and say OK. Now you can see icon coming out over here saying form. So when I click this, you should select it. You should be on the table when you click this form button. So when you click this, you can see a form name is appearing, sheet 1. This is as same as the sheet name. If you change the sheet name, this sheet 1 will also change. So let's make a data entry. Say serial number 1, company name is Vivo, state is say Maharashtra, price per unit is 15,000, and number of units sold is 15. You can once this data entry has been done, you can see the total amount, taxes and net amount is coming as 000. It doesn't give you any option to enter anything. That's because we have formulated these cells, right? So if I want to enter this, you can either press enter, or you can just click on new. So I'll just press enter. See, the data entry has been done. Now you can see the Maharashtra, the name is not being seen completely. That's because there is a limitation for this cell spacing. So if you want to see the entire name, you just close the form and expand this cell. So when you expand this cell, all the cell size would be increasing. See, the size of the cell has increased. I'll show you. See, and click on the table and then click on form. See, the size of the cells has been increased. Now let's enter new to Samsung, state is Delhi, per unit sold, say price of per unit is say 25,000, units sold are 25, and I press enter. See, 25,000. This is auto calculated. Serial number 3, the company name is Oppo, state is Kerala, units sold, price per unit sold is say 18,000, and units sold are 15. I press new. I do again a data entry. Fourth is iPhone, state is Delhi again, unit price of the unit is 50,000 and total units sold is 5, and I say enter. See, we have 4 data entries now. Now suppose I want, you can shuffle around the data entries like this. Now suppose, so you can always scroll this. This is 1 of 4, this is 2 of 4, this is 3 of 4, this is 4 of 4, or you can just go find previous 3, find previous 2 of 4, find previous 1 of 4. You can also go next. Okay, suppose now I want to find if there are multiple data entries. Now we have just entered 4 data entries. Suppose if there are more than 50 or more than 100 data entries been done, and I want to find them using a criteria. So you just have to click over here as a criteria, and here I'll say any units sold more than 15. Okay, so units sold more than 15. I'll press this and I'll say enter. See, this is a third unit which are sold more than 50. Then if I say find next, no. If I say find previous, yes, second unit is also sold more than 15, that is 25, and the first unit is also sold. So see, so let's check one more criteria. When you click this criteria, you can see a criteria coming over here. I'll delete this. I'll say taxes which are more than 50,000. Any taxes which are more than 50,000. Then I say find next. 2. Only the second row has the taxes more than 50,000, which is 1,12,500. So with this criteria, you can also go ahead and find a particular entry with a criteria. If I want to delete this entry, say 2, I'll just simply say delete. It will ask you whether you want to delete this record permanently. I'll say OK, and see, the second entry has been deleted. Okay, so this is how you can make a data entry form in an Excel. If you have any queries and questions, please comment me in the comment box. And if you like this video, please hit a like button. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe this and share this with your friends and family so that they also get smarter on Excel. And thank you for watching the videos. Please do take care of yourself. Bye.